Forget what you know about e-bikes, because this one feels like a mini motorcycle with a twist. From the bold design to next-level features, this is the most powerful and attention-grabbing ride we've reviewed yet.
Hey guys, this is Daddy O from the O Family channel, and today we got something super exciting.
What is it?
I'm excited about this. As you can see right here, the company Happyrun, their G100 electric bike to review.
Say what?
And I can't wait to check it out. They say you can hit speeds up to 38 miles per hour.
Wow.
That's pretty fast. And it comes with 3 different color options. They have yellow, they have black, and they have blue. The blue gives us patriotic vibe, but we went with the yellow color because it pops. And if Bumblebee came as an e-bike, I think this is what it would look like. So let's crank this thing open, check out what's inside, go over all the specs, features, and bells and whistles. So let's get to it. All right, as usual, cut this open. Ooh, super duper windy today. Let's go ahead and lay it down and see. Yeah. All right, guys, so the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, look at this, guys. Wow. Love the color already. Let's go ahead and start cutting this here. Need to install the tail light. Okay, love the look of it already. Let's go ahead and try to take this out carefully. Whoa, man, this is a heavy duty bike. Here's the front tire. It's very flat. Here's one of the battery.
Nice.
Looks like a gas tank. Here's the kickstand. Looks like you need to put it yourself.
Come on, man.
I think this is for the back fender. Hook up the back fender. Let's see. Yeah. This is what we're looking at. You take it out from the box. Here's the body.
Wow.
Look how wide this seat is. Looks very comfortable. Nice cushion. And here's a nice looking headlight. And then also inside here, looks like there's space to put like a kind of like a storage in here.
Cool.
And in here we got the battery charger, and then inside what came with the box, it says Happyrun. All right, here's the manual. Okay, we got the brake, and looks like you have to put the brake yourself. I've never had to do that before. What else is in here? Manual. Ooh, comes with a key lock. Okay. All right, comes with a digital NFC key card to start the bike.
Nice.
And ooh, it comes with a 2 charger. That's nice. Gotta be one for the top and one for the bottom.
Nice, very nice.
Nice, so you can charge it at the same time. Usually they don't include that. Here's the paddle, and I think this is the left and right front turn signal. So they give you 2 NFC cards, which is nice. And then this is the key of the top battery. Okay, bottom battery, top battery, paddle, the toolkit. All right, so let's go and get started. All right, so it looks like the first thing you have to do is put the front handlebar. Okay, let me see. There, stay right there, buddy. Okay, is that the right spot? Put one right there. Make sure you center right about there. Next thing looks like you have to do is you gotta unscrew this, line up the brake, and screw this in. All right, final piece. There's the front brake. So the next thing we have to do is we gotta lift front tire. This is a heavy duty bike. All right, guys, before I put the front tire, let me go ahead and inflate this to 20 psi. Right now it's 0, it's completely flat. So let me go ahead and do that first. Make sure it's not popping out or anything. Okay, that's 20. And take it out. Now it should be ready. All right, let's try this again. Just going to tighten that. Yeah, that's tightened. Let me get the back tire too. It's completely flat. Next thing I have to do is, let me go ahead and put this kickstand first. Kickstand is up. Next I have to do is put this metal piece, put the back fender. That's in place. Back fender. It's gotta go right over here. Never seen a back fender that looks like this. It's kind of cool. There's that. So next thing is the tail light. Goes back in here. Let's go and screw that in. Now the paddle. It says left side, left side. Let's go and do that. Alright, so left side is in place. Let's go and do the right side. So the right paddle is in. There's that. Next I have to do is put the front fender. Okay, front fender is in. Alright guys, so next I need to put the blinker through here. Does not say left or right, so I don't know which one's which. But hopefully this is the right one. Through here. Okay, I gotta put the headlight through here. Okay. Don't forget to hook up the wire blue to blue. Okay, that's done. Black to black. Follow the arrow. Okay, green to green. And there's red for the blinker. That is. Hopefully, this is the right side. Red to red. Red to red. There we go. Cool. Alright guys, the bike is fully assembled and man, this thing is a beast. And look how beautiful it looks.
Very nice.
I love the black and yellow color. Like I said before, it looks like a Bumblebee came back as an e-bike. This is what it will look like. It looks pretty slick. Let's take a closer look at some of the features that really make the Happyrun G100 stand out. First up, the tires. These are 20 by 4 inch fat tires. The G100 is built to handle riders of all sizes with a maximum weight capacity of 440 pounds, and it's recommended for riders between 5'3" and 6'5". I'm about 5'10", I think comes up to right below my waistline, so I can comfortably ride, no problem here. But I think if you are under maybe 5'4" and under, it might be a little bit difficult for you to get on and to get off. It'd be easy for the taller riders. And it runs on a powerful dual battery setup. You got a 48 volt 20 amp hour top battery right here. This is a top battery, and also a 48 volt 18 hour amp bottom battery down here. This is a second battery. They said it give you an insane 85 plus mile range, depends how you ride it, on a single charge, and that's perfect for long rides, commutes, or weekend adventures. When it comes to brakes, you've got covered with 160 millimeter hydraulic oil disc brakes on both the front and rear. So stopping is smooth, quick, and reliable even at high speeds. And this thing's got brushless rear hub motor, rated at 1000 watt continuous, peaking at 2000 watt and pushing out 95 newton meter of torque, which means it's gonna give you enough power. Alright, so now let's check out the display, a bright color LED screen that shows your current speed, pedal assist level, and battery status. In order for you to turn this on, there is an S button right there. You guys can see, all you have to do is hold that for a few seconds. Hear the beep. It is on at the moment, but if you want to turn it on for security, they provide you the NFC card. All you have to do is put it right next to the NFC display, and now it's turned on. So right now it shows the miles per hour, the trip, mileage, and then here's the battery juice. And if I press the S button, it changes the pedal assist here. So right now it's 0. If I press it again, it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But I do notice when you press the button, there's a little delay. So when I press it, and there's a little delay. And then you also get an atmosphere light built into the frame. The headlight, it is on, but when you press the headlight button right here, that will completely turn on the headlight. Now the headlight is on. It's pretty bright. And then shows blue light indicates the headlight is on. One of my favorite features is sequential turn signals. So this is not like any other turn signal. When I press the left turn signal, as you can see, it lights up and beeps. And on the backside too. That's a pretty neat feature. I've never seen any other e-bikes like that. And then to turn it off, you press it again. Now the beep goes away. Same thing with the right turn signal. It's on. And same thing on this side. And on the back side. As you guys can see. And this also comes with a 7-speed Shimano gear system and the horn. And this right here is one of the loudest horn that I've seen on e-bike. Did you guys hear that? That's pretty loud. So I love the horn, and this is one of the loudest horn. As for suspension, this bike has full suspension. The front fork is adjustable, so you can fine tune in stiffness depending on your terrain. So right here, you can adjust this. Compression is on this side. And it depends on the road and the terrain, you can adjust the front suspension. And the back, it's got a unique dual coil spring suspension. I've never seen one like this. And one last thing, the Happyrun G100 is rated IP54 water resistant, which means it can handle dust and light splashes, so a little rain or riding through puddles isn't going to hurt it. Alright guys, so everything's put together. Let's go ahead and take this out for a spin.
Yes!
Let me go ahead and start this. Hold the start button for a few seconds. Hear the beep. Use the NFC card. That's turned on. Let me go ahead and start with paddle assist 1. See how that feels. And then I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's kind of hard to see on the direct sunlight, the screen. So I do have a speedometer here on my phone just to kind of show you how fast this is going. I don't know how accurate that's going to be. Okay, right now, pedal assist 1. We're going about 5 miles, 6 miles. I don't know if that's accurate. 7 miles. It's on 6 miles here. It's going to pedal assist 2. All right, you feel that little boost, torque. Right now it's going at 12, 13 miles. 14, pedal assist 2. Let me go ahead and try pedal assist 3. Here we go. Alright, yeah, you feel the boost right away. About 15, 16, 17, 18. Pedal assist 4, 19, 20, 21. Let me try the thrust here. You hold the thrust for maybe a few seconds. Now it's a cruise control. It's going by itself right now. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Wow.
Went about 30 miles per hour. Pedal assist 5. Pedal assist 5. Here we go. 22, 23, 24. Check out the brake. Whoa, the brake is good too. Great brake. Forgot about the turn signal. But if you can hear the turn signal indicating it's on. Cruise control is on. It shows right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh, man, that's super fun. You know what we're about to do. This bike's got full suspension. You know what that means. Any kind of terrains, rocky roads, and bumpy, this should not be a problem. So let's go and test that out, guys. Here we are. So they mowed the lawn today, freshly cut. But this is the bumpy road here, a little hill. So let's go and test it out here. Oh yeah. Very smooth, as you guys can see. You don't feel the bumps as much. Oh yeah, so smooth. Let's go and go around again. Test it out. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Great brakes. You guys see that? Oh yeah. Whoa. So fun. Alright guys, I've really been enjoying this e-bike. From the bold color to the slick design and loaded features, the Happyrun G100 is easily one of the most impressive e-bikes that I've reviewed. I've been riding it around and let me tell you, it's a total head turner. I've had people stop, look back, and even compliment the bike. It definitely makes a statement. Not like any bike, there are pros and cons, but in this case, the pros far outweighs the cons. Let's start with a few of the cons. One, it's a heavy bike. This is about around 107 pounds. So lifting or storing, it might be a challenge for some. The large color display looks great, but it's a bit tough to see clearly under direct sunlight. So direct sunlight, I do have to kind of cover to see where we at. So it's kind of hard to see even with the big screen here. A few things like the brake levers, turn signals, and kickstand need to be installed out of the box. It's not pre-installed. Now onto the pros, and there's a lot to love. The seat is super comfortable, and with full suspension, even bumpy roads feel smooth. The sequential front and rear turn signals are both stylish and practical. The horn, one of the loudest I've ever heard on an e-bike. You get bright headlights, strong hydraulic brakes, a handy storage compartment down here, came super clutch, and a secure NFC card unlocking system. That's a pretty neat feature they added. It even comes with extras like a chain lock, 2 battery chargers, and 2 keys for the top and bottom batteries. And of course, like I said before, the bold yellow color, it really pops and makes the bike stand out. This bike is super fun to ride, packed with premium features, and if you are in the market for something powerful, comfortable, and unique, this could be the perfect fit for you. Bonus, if you're thinking about picking one up, use my code STEVEOH, STEVEOH, at checkout to get $100 off select Happyrun e-bikes, including G100, G100 Pro, G300 Pro, and G70. No minimum, no strings, just $100 off, valid once per customer. I've also dropped the link in the description below, and right now G100 is on sale for $14.59, down from $21.99. That's 34% off, plus the extra discount with my code. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our future reviews. And thanks for watching. As always, be well, be kind, and be happy. See you guys next time. Bye guys.